Guess what we are going to be getting you tomorrow for your channel?
What?
A P.O. box for fan mail. So people can send you letters and anything that they want to send you. What do you think about that? Are you excited?
No way.
No way? Is that like a no way as in far out? Or is that... What are you doing? Hello?
I'm too scared.
You are? Are you excited?
That's what I'm hiding.
That's why you're hiding? Daddy, she is so excited that she's hiding.
I know. Don't tell them what she'll get in the mail.
Maybe money. Did you say? Maybe money. What else do you hope to get in the mail?
Toys.
Toys? And what else? Money. And letters, cards, postcards,
Or like chairs.
chairs.
Think somebody will send you a chair in the mail?
That'd be pretty cool.
A dog chair.
A dog chair.
No,
But
a dog.
Oh,
a doll chair. Oh, okay.
For my new dollhouse.
For your new dollhouse.
Why am I making that?
Back up.
I figured.